Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a fair price. Features also include keyless entry, satellite radio, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, Toyota Entune. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, backup camera, steering wheel controls, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.